no threats could I see. Soon this long-legged baby was talking to me, but not a stitch on. She didn't have a stitch on, not a stitch on. She didn't have a stitch on. She said she was a nudist, come on, give it a try. I said, hold on now, baby, I'm much too shy. Come on now, dude, don't be like that. Take off your threads, but you can wear my hat, and not a stitch on. She didn't have men small, as they say, born without sin, born naked and happy within. Born naked, naked, nothing to lose. Born naked, naked, screaming the blues. Yes, when I was born. You can take off your dress and take off your shoes and take your hat and coat off too. You can drop them to the floor, you don't need them anymore, because freedom's calling you. Freedom's calling, freedom's calling, freedom's calling you. Freedom's calling, freedom's calling, freedom's calling you. Come on, walk in the sun and have plenty of fun. Be a nudist and walk free into the sun. Then take your clothes off slowly, your journey has begun. Step into tomorrow, leave yesterday far behind. Walk into the sunshine and let yourself unwind. For yourself reach out, feel what it's all about.